Alright, so this thing just came up here just 5 minutes ago. Clear out a spot here. I'm gonna unbox this and let's see what it looks like coming from the factory after being rebuilt. Oh, it's well stapled together, I can tell you that. So let's oh, it's a box inside of a box. All right. Looks like just send me a brand new one. Okay. I think they just, this is just a brand new one. Holy cow, look at this thing. I mean, it looks like they repainted and put stickers back on it again. Just gonna take this apart, look at the, wait, so this is down here. See, it's even new hardware. And I just opted to get the balanced and refurbished. So it was $600 get it refurbished, like $100 and either 75 or $150 to get it rebalanced and everything. Which is not a bad deal. It's on, I mean, it looks exactly like a brand new unit. Missing 2 washers, looks like. Nope. Okay, so I keep in mind that these 2 are different than the rest of these. Alright, so this one has a beveled edge at the top, and this one here is kind of flat. Alright, so these 4 go with the washers, and these 2, they're like this, go with the without where the washers weren't. So you need to remember that. Oh, yeah, look at that. I think they just put a new one on. Well, that was it. Or they sent me a new one, balanced. Because that is super duper clean. I mean, you can't even see if anything. Yeah. I try to remember these markings. I want to keep these markings like that. It just went like this. Why is it like that? I have no idea. Okay. 2 that were different go here. And 4 that have washers go here. Alignment mark. Alignment tool. Already got alignment tool, so on the alignment tool, floater strap, floater studs. Like half a gram out. Right So throw out bearing tips. We'll need that. Pressure plate studs. Come around, keep these alignment marks together, the way it stays balanced. And there are my foot pounds. Each one. All right. Well, if you send yours off, right, it looks like they'll send you a new one. So, because I mean it does not look worn whatsoever. Tighten these down a little bit. Focus on. So well. RXT clutch. So there you go. It's pretty exciting. I'm happy to have it back. Start putting things back together. As soon as I get the motor in, finish the rest of the car, get it back in the car and start finish up body work. One thing everybody loves to do. Alright. Not a bad deal, because I did debate just buy a new one and stuff. I'm glad that somebody reached out to me and told me they'd rebuild it on Facebook. So, there you go.